Today I have the air quick coupler, 6 brands here, and we want to do a comparison. So what I have is a Daisen, which is made in Japan, E-Nitoyo, Nitto from Japan, Nesto, Joker, and Tekiro. So they are all this wall plug. This is not, sorry, this is the air plug, which is they are all standard. And I'm using a 20 SH, SP, and also SOM, 24 SOM, the model for Daisen. Okay, so we want to show that we want to do a comparison whether what brand can fit what, okay, whether it fits or not. Okay, so I'll start with this brand Daisen. Okay, Daisen with the plug. Of course, it fits its own plug. This is a one touch. Okay, one touch, very tight. Okay, now we will try with all the, then with the Daisen quick coupler, we try on E-Nitoyo plug. Okay, it fits. On a Nitto, it fits. On a Nesto, it fits. On a Joker brand, it fits. For a Tekiro, it fits. Okay, so it fits all. So we're going to do this for the remaining brand. We'll take E-Nitoyo. Of course, we will fit its own. Now we try with Daisen. It fits. Its own brand, it fits. Nitto, yes. Nesto, yes. Joker, yes. Tekiro, yes. Okay, move on to Nitto. On Daisen, yes. E-Nitoyo, yes, it fits. Of course, its own brand, it fits. Nesto brand, yes, it fits. On a Joker brand, yes, it fits. And then you have Tekiro, okay, also it fits. Now we use Nesto. So one touch, yes, it fits. E-Nitoyo. On an E-Nitoyo, cannot. Nesto on an E-Nitoyo cannot fit. On a Nitto plug, also it cannot fit. Okay. For its own, yes, it fits. For Joker, yes, it fits. For Tekiro, it fits. Now, Joker on Daisen plug cannot fit. Cannot fit. Okay. Joker on an E-Nitoyo plug cannot fit. On a Nitto plug cannot fit. Joker on a Nesto plug can fit. Can fit. Joker on a Joker plug, of course it fits. Joker on a Tekiro plug, it fits. Okay. Then next we will test is the Tekiro one. On a Daisen plug, it fits. E-Nitoyo, it fits. Nitto, yes. Nesto, yes. Joker, yes. Okay, and last Tekiro plug, it fits. Okay,